Hi, my name is Brian Christensen, captain of Forever Young.
Hi, my name is Elena Christensen, and I'm the chef and first mate on Forever Young.
Forever Young is a very special boat. It's the first Two Oceans Series 555 here in the British Virgin Islands. They come from South Africa. The factory is in Cape Town. This particular boat was delivered to Fort Lauderdale at the beginning of October, and here we are right now in the very end of November, beginning of December, getting ready for the charter season in the British Virgin Islands.
Once you're comfortable in your cabins, we are going to take off and go to the first destination of your choice, and obviously depending on the weather.
Based out of Nanny Key Marina, Forever Young has access to all of the best spots in the British Virgin Islands.
Forever Young is 55 feet long, but she's huge. We have so much space to lounge.
Walking into the main salon, you can see all the way forward through the master cabin and out to the alfresco dining, which is a great place to enjoy a cup of coffee with friends.
On board Forever Young, we also have a Starbucks station where we have an amazing coffee machine that can make any of your favorite drinks.
Not only that, we have an overabundance of refrigerators to keep your drinks cold, and we have 2 ice machines on board.
We have really big cabins. The master cabin has a king bed, and we have a full queen on the starboard side, and on the port side we have a twin if you have kids or teenagers that don't want to share a bed, or we have a big queen bed for a couple. We have the most comfortable mattresses that you can ever find. They're not your usual boat mattresses that come with the boat. They're custom made, they're oversized, and they're as comfortable as you can get.
The other thing that Elena has done in outfitting this boat is thinking of every possible thing that you might need on board, from toiletries to sunblock. There is no reason why you should have to pack more than a carry-on bag to come join us and have the time of your life. What we're trying to do on board Forever Young is create a space in which everybody feels welcome and a part of the family, but the important part is that everybody is there together enjoying themselves. The vessel is absolutely outfitted to the nines. The owner has spared no expense in making this the perfect charter boat for the British Virgin Islands.
Before you charter, I find out what food you like and prepare a menu just for you. Then I go source all the best ingredients. With years of experience and training, I can create delicious and nutritious meal plans for individuals following plant-based, gluten-free, or other healthy dietary needs, as well as prepare satisfying and comforting dishes for everybody to enjoy.
We certainly have a lot of toys on Forever Young. From beginners eager to try something new or pros seeking their next thrill, there's a toy, a piece of kit, some sort of gear on board for anyone of any skill level. We can get you out having a great time no matter where we are at in the islands.
We have a really nice inflatable swimming pool behind the boat. We have paddle boards, and we have a slide. Forever Young's stylish and comfortable Walker Bay Generation 12 tender with a 50 horsepower Yamaha engine makes getting to the breathtaking beaches fast and easy.
Something very unique about our program is that I am an instructor for many of the different water sports. We have headsets so we can speak back and forth on the water with our guests who may not be super comfortable with the activities that they're doing, but they want to learn. And we were able to get one of our guests up and flying on our e-foil scooter today. It's the Flightboard scooter. It's inflatable. It's super soft.
And it's super easy.
We make sure that all of our guests feel comfortable with each of the activities that they are doing. Even if it's just snorkeling, we have snorkel vests for each and every one of our guests. We have the Subnado underwater scooters. They are not crazy fast, but they are just perfect enough while on the reef.
One of the things I admire the most about Brian is he's been sailing since he was a child. So he's extremely competent and he knows the winds, he knows the weather, he knows how to read all of those things. So you're in good hands.
So like we talked about all the amazing activities that you can do on Forever Young. If your activity is just lounging, there's nothing wrong with that. There's something that we tend to forget about on this boat is just how much space we have. We have lounge space everywhere. We have loungers upstairs on the flybridge, and you can even go all the way forward of the flybridge, out in front of the helm station where we have a forward-facing sun lounge.
And we keep forgetting the karaoke.
Give me the feeling again, just one more time.
The activities don't stop when the sun goes down. We have underwater lights that come in a variety of different colors. The wildlife comes to play. We have karaoke, which can be sung from one of the drop-down TVs right next to our fully stocked bar.
Just one more time.
Forever Young boasts cutting-edge electric systems, keeping the lights bright, the AC crisp, and the yacht effortlessly cool, stylish, and luxurious through the night.
Forever young, I want to be forever young.
If you're on the fence, you're having a hard time making that decision, you don't know if you should really pull the trigger on such an amazing vacation, hey, you deserve it. Just do it.
I'm Elena Christensen,
I'm Brian Christensen.
and we're inviting you to join us in this beautiful paradise in the Virgin Islands.
See you soon.